Hey guys, welcome to Solar Sessions with Ben. I'm Brandon, and this is Ben from Belmont Solar. And Solar Sessions with Ben is a segment that we do where we answer your solar questions. So Ben, today, the solar question is, how do solar panels actually work?
Yes, so the light photons, they hit this and they get turned into a lot more than just heat. Sunlight has an immense amount of power. It evaporates water, it creates lots of heat, and you can tell that when you're in the sunlight for even just a short time. So some of this energy can be used turned into electrical energy and be used in your house. It's called the photovoltaic effect. And this is really a light absorbing diode. It turns it into electrical energy. This is a light emitting diode, also known as an LED. This is consuming that identical energy.
Gotcha. So we put these solar panels on our roof, sunlight is hitting the panels, and those photons are creating electrons that are creating power in our house.
Yes.
Very cool. Guys, I hope that was helpful. That's how solar panels work. Make sure you tune in next time.